So, ito yung pinakamaganda dito guys. Yung falls. Tapos, ano, yung kainan niya nasa tubig. Wow. Check this guys. So, nandito kami sa entrance na ngayon. Parang isang malaking ano siya guys.
This is called the Circling Road.
Isang malaking farm.
Wow. Oh wow, Carabao. Check it out. A lot of them. Whoa, they're all over the place.
Sabi nila guys, meron daw ditong ano,
Even
falls.
little babies too.
What babies?
Carabao. You got the little babies. Slow down. Oh wow. I guess alcohol.
Ano yun? Alcohol?
Alcohol to sterilize your tongue. Bleach.
Bleach. Yeah.
Yeah, could be. Wow. What an ingenious idea. Torres Police Center. Locked down or?
No, it's open.
So guys, almost there.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ganda ng view.
You can go down here. I'll park here. Teka, di ba mag-register ka dito? Sila Tora?
I don't see nobody with shields.
Baba ka na. Reception, di ba dito? Ano pa, para makapag-vlog. Dito pala, sa gilid. Okay. Excited lang siya.
Bago ka makapasok, kailangan check ang
I don't see
temperature.
nobody really with you. I guess like that.
Bababa kami? Park muna, okay.
What's up, dude?
Check muna ng temperature
Is it bad?
guys.
Let's go to the shade.
Yeah, I want to have a cigarette.
First guys, pag pumasok ka dito sa Villa Escudero na to, kailangan check mo na yung temperature. Tapos, that dog, she's sleep. Na kami ngayon guys sa entrance, nagbabayad kami. So ang ano namin is day tour. Iba-iba kasi guys, merong day tour, merong overnight, pero day tour lang yung namin. Ang binayaran namin per person is 1 to 50. Day tour yun guys, hanggang na yun, hanggang hapon na yan. So yun.
So guys, dito meron silang mga rides like Carabao ride, Carabao na kami. Then meron din silang falls. Dito guys, kita namin. Then meron siya, yung peak na yun ang makikita nyo guys, yun ang church. So,
Of course, yeah.
ang init. Ang init. So ayan guys, meron silang mga ganito. Yan. Ang init nga. Sus, Ginoo. Ang init.
It's fun, right? Let's take a picture.
So ayan guys. Ito yung pinaka entrance talaga guys. So yan. Kung makikita nyo. So, ayan yung simbahan guys. Kulay pink siya. Hindi ko lang alam kung pwedeng pumasok sa loob. So ayan. Hey.
Hi, sweetie.
Yun guys. Oh, pwede palang pumasok sa pink na simbahan guys. Tignan natin yung loob.
No pictures, no pictures, babe. No pictures. No, not allowed.
Put your body in here. I think it's for aircraft. No, this is wind.
Ang init. Okay sana kung medyo malilim eh. Sobrang init. Ayun yung Carabao guys, na pwede ka mag-ride dyan.
Sasakay kami dyan guys.
purple tongue like pink.
Okay, take a picture. Sasakay kami dito. Picture ko lang. Picture mo kuya. Sige. So may music pa guys habang sasakay kami ng kalabaw. Cool, right? Naliligo.
Tayo doon sa ano guys, sa falls. Ayan siya. Pababa tayo doon. Ayun.
Can I use my YouTube off to get a senior discount or not? It's not even worth it. I don't think it's worth it. Believe me, I'm very good.
So, ito yung pinakamaganda dito guys. Sa falls. Tapos ano, yung kainan niya, nasa tubig. Wow. Check this guys.
Again.
Ang lamig ng tubig guys.
Oh, it feels good though.
So ayun guys, yun na nga, ang binayaran dito is 150. Kasama na lahat yun. Day tour, nagpunta na kami ng museum. Tapos ngayon, magla-lunch naman kami guys. Nagsiserve na po sila ng pagkain. Ayan. Then, kasama na din doon yung rides guys sa 150. So, mukhang sulit na sulit naman yung perang ibabayad mo kasi ang ganda talaga. Ayan, serve fresh buko.
All that is ready for us. Same time.
Kung kailangan natin ng tubig. It's super nice!
Oh, this feels so good.
That's not right. That's big.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Oh, watermelon.
The weather is cool. Anyways, this straw is made up of paper.
Yeah, I know.
It's fresh buko juice. Yummy. Hey. Ready? You eat this? Napakaganda ng lugar guys. Cool talaga siya. Meron din ditong swimming pool kung gusto niyo pong maligo. Ayan. Yung mga pagkain nila dito guys.
Yeah.
Puro ano talaga siya, may food siya. Pansit.
Check it the... Tingnan nyo yan guys.
No, Jules will call for it. Yeah. The hell out of the way. It is man-made. You know that this is man-made?
Handmade.
Andito kami nag-ano guys, sakay kami ng balsa guys. Ayan. Nandun si Habi sa likod ko. Ayan. Ano to guys, free lang to guys. Kasama na to sa binayaran.